Hello guys, welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you how you can change the menu language of a Citroen Nemo. It's a 2007 model. I had some inquiries on how to change the menu language, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can do it for yourself. As always, before we start, I'm going to mention our YouTube channel, Service Reset My Car. We'd appreciate it if you subscribe to our channel. Give us more support by liking our videos. If you don't like our videos, use the comments area to let me know why you don't like our videos, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, our Citroen Nemo is in English, and I'm going to show you how you can change this language to a different language. The trick is the menu button on the left side of the car. It's over here. Yes. You're gonna press the menu button, the most right button, a few times, and once you press that, the menu over here changes. Press it once, then you can use the minus or the plus button to go through the menu. The minus or the plus button, these buttons, to go through the menu till you find the language area. Like this. Once you have found this, press the menu button again, and as you can see, English is blinking. So once you want to change it, use the minus or the plus button to change it to a different language, and leave it on that language as our customer prefers in Dutch. I'm going to leave it in Dutch. Once you have done that, press the menu button again, and as you can see, the menu of the car has changed to the Dutch language. Like this. This was the check. That was it for today. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you next time with another video. Take care. Bye bye.